In this video, I'll show you how to drill a hole in wood with clear step-by-step instructions. Before drilling, mark the exact location where you want the hole. Use a pencil or marking tool to create a clear reference point on the wood surface. Double-check your measurements to avoid any mistakes. Now, it's time to secure the wood in place. Use a clamp or vise to firmly hold the wood, ensuring it doesn't move during drilling. This step is essential for accuracy and safety. Put on your safety goggles and get ready to drill. Hold the power drill with a firm grip and align the drill bit with the marked spot on the wood. Apply gentle pressure and start the drill at a slow speed to create a pilot hole. When drilling into wood, using the correct speed is crucial. For most wood drilling tasks, a medium speed setting is ideal. Higher speeds can cause overheating and burning, while slower speeds may result in the drill bit getting stuck. Once a pilot hole is made, you can increase the speed and continue drilling. Maintain a steady and controlled motion, allowing the drill bit to do the work. Apply gentle pressure to avoid splintering or damaging the wood. To prevent wood chips from clogging the hole or obstructing your view, periodically retract the drill slightly and clear away any debris. This will ensure a smooth drilling operation. Continue drilling until you reach the desired depth. Slow down as you approach the end to prevent any breakout or splintering. Take your time and be patient. If you're concerned about the wood splintering or chipping on the exit side of the hole, you can place a scrap piece of wood known as a backing board beneath it. If you want to create large holes, use a spade bit that matches the hole size. Mark the hole's center using a pencil or a marking tool. Attach the spade bit to your drill, ensuring it is securely tightened. Place the tip of the spade bit on the marked center point and begin drilling slowly and steadily, allowing the spade bit to cut into the wood. Keep the drill perpendicular to the surface. As the bit progresses, you will notice the tip emerging on the other side of the wood. This is your cue to stop drilling from that side. Remove the drill from the hole, reposition it on the opposite side, and align the spade bit's tip with the indentation left by the emerging tip. Continue drilling slowly until the hole is complete, maintaining a controlled and consistent drilling speed. This technique helps prevent wood splits on either side and lets you get a clean hole. Once the hole is drilled, double-check to ensure it meets your requirements. Inspect the wood for any splinters or rough edges and sand them if necessary. And that's how you properly drill a hole in wood. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more woodworking tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you next time.